Welcome to What is Bitcoin? A beginner's guide. In this video, we'll be discussing what Bitcoin is and how it works. Bitcoin is a digital currency that operates independently of any central authority, such as a bank. It is completely decentralized, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Instead, Bitcoin transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain. To hold Bitcoin, you need a digital wallet. Bitcoin works by allowing users to send and receive payments directly without the need for a middleman. When a transaction is made, it is verified by other users on the network and then recorded on the blockchain. The blockchain is a public ledger that contains a record of every Bitcoin transaction ever made. What makes Bitcoin different from traditional currencies is that it is completely digital and decentralized. This means that it can be sent and received from anywhere in the world, without the need for a bank or other intermediary. Additionally, the supply of Bitcoin is limited, which means that it cannot be devalued by inflation. That's it for our beginner's guide to Bitcoin. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Bitcoin, be sure to check out our other videos in this series.